Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will see how to interface the switch using Python on Raspberry Pi. So let's get started. We can use any version of the Raspberry Pi. I will be using Raspberry Pi Model 3B. We will be using pre-installed Raspbian OS on the SD card. You can refer my previous video on how to set up the Raspberry Pi. Again we will need switch. Again we will need LED, register, jumper wire and breadboard. So let's build the hardware now. If you see the switch, upper two pins of the switch are shorted and lower two pins of the switch are shorted. So while mounting we have to carefully mount the switch on the breadboard. Now we'll mount switch on the breadboard. One end of the switch will go to the ground and another end of the switch will go to the GPIO. Mount the LED on breadboard. We'll connect the resistor to the anode of the LED, that is positive end of the LED. The other end of the resistor will go to the GPIO, that is GPIO 14, and cathode will be connected to the ground pin of the Raspberry Pi. Here you can refer the pinout of the Raspberry Pi. Now power on the Raspberry Pi and connect the Raspberry Pi using VNC and open the terminal. I have already opened it. Let's see the code now. So in the code, as you can see, we are importing the libraries, that is GPIO library and time library. Here I have assigned the pin numbers. Switch is connected to pin 6 and LED is connected to pin 8. Here we are setting the GPIO mode for switch and LED, and this is the loop which will get executed continuously. Here we are reading the button state, and if button is pressed, then we are printing as a button pressed and we are turning on the LED. Here we have used while loop for debouncing purpose. So if the switch is pressed continuously, then it will get stuck at while loop, and if the switch is not pressed, then we are turning off the LED. Save this code and we'll execute this Python script and we'll see the demo now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos.